Welcome guys, today I have for you Mitsui model MSG250H2AH. This machine is wired for 220 volts. Off to the left hand side you see we do have a coolant tank, and the right hand side we do have the hydraulics. This machine does come equipped with a 8x18 magnetic chuck by Walker over here with our variable control. Go ahead, press the button, and then you could change the magnitude on that. Or you can go full, release, or residual, either or. We do have the 2-axis DRO right over here to read both your Y and X axis. This machine is a 3-axis automatic, and we'll just get right into it. First we're going to start off with our coolant. Go ahead, just turn that on for you real quick. Get a sound of that, and I'll be turning that off. And we move on to our hydraulics, make sure everything is off so we're not going to crash. Get our hydraulics going, and then we could go ahead and open up our throttle control right here to get our table to go back and forth. Pull out that handle so you don't run into issues. So you could go ahead and change the speed with this handle right over here. You could also make finer adjustments over there on the hydraulic end. These are adjustable dogs. As you can see, you just loosen them up. We do have adjustable dogs over here on the side as well. This is going to be for your cross feed. I'm just going to open that up just for a little bit so we get more of a travel. Then I'm going to demonstrate our rapid up and down, which we'll go ahead and go there. As you can see, we got the Z-axis counting as we go. And then let's go on down for you. You could run the table or the saddle in and out with this hand wheel right here. So we're going forward. As you can see, our Y-axis is changing. And then let's go ahead and bring it out for you guys. So that's just a little bit on that hand wheel. This is going to be the hand wheel that brings our head up and down. This is going to be our incremental feed, how much we want to down feed every single time. So simple, just crank it up or down, whichever direction you'd like to go. So lastly, this hand wheel right here, if we turn off our hydraulics, we could go ahead and manually run the table ourselves, just like that. For now, we'll just go ahead and turn on the table. So from there, let's go ahead and do some incremental feeding for you guys. There you go. Just gotta go ahead and put it into surface mode whenever you're ready to do the cross feed. That's just one step I forgot. So we got the incremental where it'll feed in or out at the end of every traverse, as it's doing right now. Or we can go ahead and change it to a continuous, like that. Tell it which direction to go in, and you can see our hand wheel take off. So again, this is going to be talking to our 2 switches right over here with adjustable dogs. At the end of every reversal, as long as we told the machine to, we will go and down feed at the end of every saddle cross feed. This machine will feed down all the way to 0. Once it hits 0, it doesn't park itself. It will just go continuously, but the feeding does stop. While we're at it, I'll go ahead and turn on our spindle right over there, tucked into our vacuum guard right over here. that on for you guys. For video purposes, I'm just gonna close up our stroke a little bit more. As you can see, we just fed down a little bit. Go ahead, tighten that up for you guys. And just let this pass for a couple times. Machine does also have a plunge feature, which I will demonstrate right after this. Go ahead with another down feed right there. We do have two safety switches right over here, so you're not accidentally crashing into the magnet or going way off to the top. We'll have a couple more passes to do, so I'm just going to go ahead and just speed up the process for you guys all the way down to the end. About one more pass, you'll see that this light will turn off, and that will mean that you're at the end of your cycle. And as you can see right there, light turns off, but the machine is still going to go back and forth until you tell it to stop. So with that being said, I'll go ahead, press the emergency stop button so we turn everything off. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the plunge cut now. I'll go ahead and start off with our hydraulics and our spindle. With that being said, we'll switch it on over to plunge cut, and then we can start our down feed cycle. Since this is a quick cycle, I will let it run for a little bit longer. From there, open up our throttle. And at the end of each traversal, you can see that we're down feeding. This is a good time to demonstrate different feeds. You can change how much it feeds down, as it's only doing one tick right now, and we're doing full travel. This is the plunge cut feature, so it is relatively quick. And it's going to do the same thing as the traversal mode, where it will just go continuous, but it will stop feeding. We do have a lube tank in the back that is automatic. Go ahead and lube up your ways and other surfaces like that. Speed that up just a bit for you guys. It's almost at the end over here. As you can see, the light turned off, and that's the end of your cycle. So to go ahead and start your other cycle, you just go back to whatever dimensions you'd have, press start, and you're good to go. So that's basically it for this video. Again, this is going to be the Mitsui model MSG 250 H2AH wired for 220 volts. Thank you very much.